In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subpage in the Squarespace app. Whether you're organizing content or refining your website's navigational structure, knowing how to add a subpage in Squarespace can provide a clean, user-friendly layout. Let's dive in to seamlessly create a subpage and enhance your website's structure. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on your Squarespace homepage, the first step is to click on the Website link. This will take you into the main area where you can manage different aspects of your website. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages. This section acts as the central hub for all your website's pages. Here, you have the power to oversee the entire layout of your site and make necessary updates or additions. Next, look out for the Add button. It's typically represented by a plus symbol or labeled clearly, making it quite hard to miss. Clicking this button is the gateway to creating a new page or subpage within your website. Once you've clicked Add, a menu will appear prompting you to choose the type of page you would like to add. Since our focus is to create a subpage, you will want to select the drop-down option from the menu. This step is crucial as it allows you to nest pages under a main page, thereby creating a subpage structure. Think of it like creating folders within folders on your computer. It keeps everything organized and accessible. With the drop-down option selected, it's now time to give your drop-down or parent a name. This is your opportunity to label the category or main topic under which your subpages will fall. Be descriptive and precise to ensure visitors will understand what content can be expected from the drop-down. Now comes the fun part of integrating an existing page into your new drop-down. Browse through your existing pages to find the one you'd like to turn into a subpage. Once you've decided, click and hold on that particular page, then simply drag it under the newly created dropdown. You'll often see a visual cue or indication that you're positioning it correctly beneath the dropdown. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subpage in Squarespace, neatly tucked under a drop-down menu. This approach not only simplifies navigation, but also streamlines your site's appearance, making it easier for visitors to find what they need. Remember, organizing your website's content effectively improves user experience and may even boost your visibility to search engines. Whether you aim to highlight specific services, products, or information, having a well-structured website is essential in today's digital world. Keep refining and experimenting with your structure until it perfectly represents your brand's vision.